Let's create your first branded game with Drimify's AI Builder, built with AI and no code at all. Start by signing into your Drimify workspace. From your workspace, start a new app. Then choose Create with AI and use the AI assistant. Pick the experience you want, from quizzes to wheels, across more than 40 game types. Add your branding, your logo, your primary colour, and a visual style like corporate, 3D, minimal or playful. Tell the AI about your project. A full brief plus a few inspiration images gives the best results. The AI builds your game for you in minutes. And just like that, your game is created, about 10 times faster than building it manually. It's mobile first and fully responsive on phone, tablet and desktop. Fine-tune each step. Branding, game configuration, settings, then publish when you're ready. Share your live game by link, embed it on your site, or connect it with single sign-on. And anyone on your team can build one. No technical skills needed. Learn one and you can build them all. Start building on Drimify.